Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue with the chapter of microorganisms. So the today's topic is types of microbes or microorganisms. So the first is bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, and virus. These are of 5 types of microorganisms. Okay. Let us talk about bacteria. So mostly they are single cellular organisms. Single cellular organism means single cellular, or we can say multicellular. Let me define single cellular, or we can say unicellular and multicellular. What is this? Okay, uni means होता है बेटा one. What is the meaning of uni? Uni means one, and multi means more than one. Okay, many. So if a organism having one cell, we will say that is unicellular organism. If a organism is made up of many cells, we say that multicellular organism. Unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Okay, so most of them are unicellular and some of them are multicellular also, which made up of many cells also. Okay, this is clear. So let comes one by one about bacteria and their examples, microorganisms and their examples. So bacteria, the single cellular organism, it is found mostly everywhere, and the example of bacteria is Rhizobium, okay, and Lactobacillus, okay. Protozoa, mainly protozoa is found in water bodies, and the example is amoeba. You might have heard this word amoeba, okay, and Paramecium, okay. Next comes fungi, okay. Fungi singular is called fungus. Fungi example we are having yeast and mushrooms. I am taking very common example that we will discuss later in this chapter, and you are familiar with the example. You have heard these words, yeast, mushrooms, okay. Algae, single we called it alga, and example is Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas. It's very typical name, I know, but we have to learn because we are studying biology. Okay, virus, simple we are having. You all know nowadays coronavirus is going on. Okay, chickenpox virus, common cold virus, polio virus, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus cause AIDS. So these are what the examples of microorganisms. Out of these, one virus comes in different category. Why it comes in different category? Because virus is neither dead nor alive. You can say nor alive. Means virus comes in neutral form. Neutral means it do not come in dead or in living form. So how does it come? It actually, the virus comes in active position when it enters in the host body. When it enters in the host body, if it has entered in the animal body like human being, then it start activate, and then it active means then it start eating that cell. It take all the necessary things what it required from the cell and make the cell dead. Okay, it's multiply, taking the material from the cell, host body. Host means we are the host in which it is living. So it takes the material from the host body cells and make them dead. Okay, so this is what comes in the spatial category. So virus is neither dead nor alive. It comes in activation, or it takes the things, it takes the material from the host body. Okay, rest are very common: bacteria, protozoa, fungi, algae, and virus. Okay, next topic is come where the microorganism found. Okay, let's talk about where the microorganism found in the next video. Thank you.